I wouldn't try to watch this video all at once. It's probably best if you find, skip to the part of the video that has a word problem that's most similar to the one you're working on. Okay, so 91. Geneva treated her parents to dinner at their favorite restaurant. The bill was $74.25. Geneva wants to leave a 16% tip for the total bill. So how much should the tip be? So we want to know 16% of the bill, right? To find a percentage of a number, we multiply by the decimal form of the percentage. Okay, so we got $74.25. Multiply it by 0.16. That makes $11.88. That's how much they should leave for the tip. That's 16% of $74.25. 95. One serving of oatmeal has 8 grams of fiber, which is 33% of the recommended daily amount. What is the total recommended daily amount? So if you take 33% of the daily amount, you get 8 grams of fiber according to this sentence, right? 33% of the recommended daily amount is the 8 grams of fiber. 33% of the recommended daily amount is the 8 grams of fiber. And now you can solve that equation by dividing 0.33 from both sides. So if you do that, 24, that doesn't come out nice. 24.24. Let's just round it to 2 decimal places. 24.24. And since it didn't come out nice, it makes me uncertain of the answer. Let me double check it. If 24.24 grams is your recommended daily amount, I should be able to multiply this by 0.33 and get 8 grams. Right? Because I said 8 grams is 33% of the recommended daily amount. And it works out, right? It's just a rounding thing because I stopped the decimal after a while. So after 3 months on a diet, Lisa has lost 12% of her original weight. She lost 21 pounds. So 12% of her original weight should be 21 pounds, right? So if you take the original weight and multiply it by the decimal form of the percentage, OG weight, that should be 21 pounds. So this word equation here says 12% of your original weight is 21 pounds. And we were told they lost 12% of the original weight, and that was a total loss of 21 pounds. So in order to get the original weight by itself, we know how to solve that equation. Divide 0.12 from both sides. So the weight that we were looking to find, the original weight is 175 pounds. Okay? So Tim left a $9 tip for a $50 restaurant bill. What percent tip did he leave? With this one here, there's a general formula you can use if you're trying to construct a percentage out of some like real world numbers. A percentage is a portion divided by a base times 100. Okay? So the portion part is like the amount that you're interested in finding a percentage for. And in this case, that's the tip. That's the percentage we're trying to find. The base is like your starting amount or like the total amount. So in this case, that's like the $50. That was the base price of the bill. So the percentage is the $9 for the tip divided by the $50 for the starting amount times 100. So the percentage of the bill that was a tip, it's 18%. That's it. Okay, so if you can memorize this nifty little formula, it's always the amount you're interested in, divide by the total, times 100. And you see that a lot in math classes. You'll hear that in statistics too. When you calculate probabilities, the probability, take the amount you're interested in, divide by the total amount of possible events, and then times 100 to get it into a percentage. So Emma gets paid $3,000 per month. She pays $750 a month for rent, so we're asked to construct a percentage. our percent is equal to a portion. In this case, the portion that we're asked to calculate for is the percent of monthly income that goes to rent. So $750 is the portion of the rent. $3,000 is the total amount of money we have to work with, so that's our base. And we multiply by 100. Okay, so 750 divided by 3,000, then multiply by 100, we got 25%.